Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start now. Make sure you're signed into the account you normally use and that Teams is closed. Right-click the system tray icon and pick Quit. Once done, open Windows Settings or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to launch Task Manager so you can change startup behavior. You need these shortcuts ready because we'll flip settings in two places. Make sure Teams is fully closed. If it keeps running, end the process in Task Manager to avoid confusing the next steps. Now disable the startup entries. First, go to Settings App Startup and toggle Microsoft Teams off. This prevents Windows from launching it at login. Next, open Task Manager's Startup tab, and if Teams appears, select it and click Disable. That gives you a fallback. Then open the Teams desktop app, go to Settings General and uncheck Auto Start Application and Background App. That ensures Teams won't relaunch itself. Doing all three stops both Windows and Teams from auto-starting. Finish by signing out and back in, or restart your PC to confirm Teams no longer opens on startup. If Teams still launches, make sure you cleared its settings and check the startup folder and task scheduler for leftover entries. You can also run msconfig to verify no hidden startup items remain. If problems persist, reinstall Teams or create a fresh Windows profile. That usually removes stubborn registry or profile-level auto-start flags. One tip: after change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.